What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's an amazing day today, and yeah, I'm back with another challenge on YouTube challenge about e-commerce. Um, and this is my original video. I did not copy this from anywhere. I'm gonna record this video. I really love this apartment. It's a video I took of a real estate agent back in Nairobi. I really like it. It's amazing. So I just had to include in the video, try to spice it up, and also see the quality of the shoot I can do here. So you have a video shoot project, you can also highlight your boy. Anyway, back to the topic I'm going to talk about today is I'm going to do a challenge. So the first step I had to do was jot out some goals and objectives. So the first one was like creating a Shopify challenge. But first of all, I was doing the research phase, as you can see on top there. Contact an influencer, preferably a TikTok influencer, and also contact a supplier. So let's get into it. It's always good for you to have objectives you're going to achieve before you start doing anything, because they'll help you guide you throughout. So yeah, these are the masks. When I contacted the supplier in Nairobi, they said they have these masks. They're the ones that are available right now in Nairobi. So let's get into it. Yo, this is about to be late, but before that, some gym session. Alright, back now. So is it gonna be trick or treat for your friends this Halloween? Anyway, I know guys in Nairobi celebrate Halloween, so and Squid game has been going viral, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna use the Squid game masks, and here we go right now. So let's start. That should look good. If you look at them, they look like the real thing in the game, except for that the costumes. Superior.com. So my plan was to get a store, yes, run Facebook ads and contact TikTok influencers to like promote the products. Yes, that was my plan. Now, as you guys know, the Squid Game actually has been like topping a lot of like #1 most watched series on Netflix and most of all this other stuff. Like, look at this, it has like 93% rating on Rotten Tomatoes. Like, that's insane. That's a very big amount of that's a very big number of rating actually. That's above average for like most shows. And if you come here and type in Squid Game plus Shopify, this is what I usually call my research phase, whereby I research what's happening in my space, in the e-commerce space, what's popping around. I think we'll see guys actually made money from selling the Squid Game masks and like the tracksuits, because and then I actually hopped on this challenge way earlier because I spent almost 2 to 3 hours on TikTok. Although with my shitty Wi-Fi here in Juba, South Sudan, I still have all that much time to spend my data on TikTok, just scrolling through. And just mid-October, there was like this funny videos when you're going for like a Halloween party, you put on your Squid Game mask and outfit, and then you enter the party, you find everybody has the same costumes. You'd be like, okay. It was actually kind of funny. It resonated with me. And as an opportunist who looks for like ways to always make money, it should have been like a clicking point for me. But yeah, so I did that fast. So I want you guys to watch this video to the end, because I have another opportunity for you guys. As you can see here, Squid Game, dropshipping Squid Game products on Shopify Shorts. I tried dropshipping Squid Game master on Shopify. You can see guys actually doing it. I watched this one video and it was actually very good. So yeah, you guys can see. So rule of thumb is every time you want to dropship something, when you do research, just type in name of the product plus Shopify at the end. It will give you a bunch of stores selling that product, so you can actually get some content copy ideas from here. Yeah, I think my website is, as you can see, my Wi-Fi really sucks. This is a website I actually created. This is on PC version, the most viral show. And this says now you can have the masks of the most viral show in 2021 without getting shot yourself. Okay, you don't have to lose and get shot there. Like I set everything up so smooth and so nice. Everything was up and running. So it's very important for you to do your research. As you guys can see right now here is I'm doing the research phase. Basically, use AliExpress to get the images for the product. Yes, or I look for images from other guys who have this product on their stores, because you have like much high quality pictures like the previous one that I showed you guys. So just go ahead now, after finding the product, go ahead on Shopify and register. Once you finish registering, you actually want to start creating your store. One thing I realized with dropshipping is you actually need a very good product, know your audience, and also have the budget, the budget for you to go ahead and use to do the marketing, yeah, or to source from the suppliers. So, for example, if you guys can see here, after I typed in Squid Game plus Shopify, um, I'm going to find a store that actually is selling these products, and I found it, here, this is like Farozia or something. So you see they have high quality images, so I'll just go ahead and just save I'll use their pictures, I'll save them. So I'll just mix them up with the AliExpress ones, yeah, I'll just choose the best ones and use them as pictures for my store. So yeah, and then now good thing about researching other stores is look at the best practices they're doing. Like as I told you, you can actually copy the description. You just take what applies to your store. You don't have to necessarily take everything. So it's very important for you to actually give some good time to research, and you can even go further with research by defining your audience. Like, what am I going to be selling these masks to? For example, I know I'm going to be selling them to people who have watched the Squid Game show and celebrate Halloween, of course. So yeah, so now basically I'm going to go ahead and set up the Shopify store. I'm going to head and add the product on my Shopify store. Since I'm not going to be doing automatic fulfillment, I'm going to add the product manually. So when I'm adding the product manually, I have to put in the name, write my description. Most other places, if you're dropshipping to US and internationally, you either have to use a Orbello or a CJ dropshipping to like import products automatically, so that when you're fulfilling, it's already authenticated with the product at their store and they just fulfill it. But this is going to be me doing it manually. So just writing the name, add the pictures, and yeah, basically that is it. It's not a very hard process. It's very simple. It's very easy. Anyone can do this. It's very straightforward. I'm sure a lot of you guys are computer literate. You're not zero beginners. So yeah, let me just finish setting up the store. Add where it's being shipped from, all this blah blah stuff. So guys, if you have any questions, kind of leave them in the comment section. I'll be answering every single one of them. But I prefer you to not really depend on always starting from zero and asking everything. Go ahead and do your own research. Have your own commitment. Be self-driven. Because I'll have a time whereby I'll actually give people feedback, and then I realize, oh, these guys actually are just starting from negative zero, not even zero. They have no idea what I'm even talking about. It's just a video about making money, just intrigue them, and they're like, okay, let's just go start ahead and start asking this guy everything. No, no. I'm trying to help a lot of people. I'm not going to be committed to one person. So if I'm trying to help a lot of people, it will make sense for them to have a start, to be self-driven. I'll just be providing that extra push, not everything, because I'll be super exhausted and I'm trying to start from zero with everyone that gets in touch with me. So yeah, just setting up everything here to make sure everything's okay. Adding the different variants. Obviously, it has variants. It has the font man, the circle, the triangle, and the square. Yeah. So those are the 4 variants of the product. And yeah, let me just go ahead and speed this part up. Yeah, so now that we've finished creating the store and everything's in check, we're going to try it's mobile responsive, because I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to be checking out or using mobile. If I'm going to be using TikTok influencers mostly, they're going to be using their mobiles to check out, and also a lot of people on Facebook use their mobile phones for Facebook. It's very hard nowadays to see people using their laptops for like social media and all that stuff. Use it for like typing and all this serious stuff. So I'm just gonna enter in my details and I check if everything's okay. Even check the headers. Yeah, so everything seems to be okay. I even added payment gateway and all that. Okay, so we finished setting up the store and everything. The next phase is like now doing the marketing. So what really happened is, guys, first of all, my supplier ran out of stock so quick, and secondly, guys were in Mombasa, some guys were in Naivasha, some guys were in Nakuru. These are like from doing Facebook marketing. So the second part I was supposed to do was with my influencer, my friend Albi is on TikTok. So yeah, you can go give him a follow, man. He has some nice quality content here in Kenya. It makes you guys laugh. Go follow him. That's his TikTok handle. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a next challenge with him because I know his audience is Kenyan, based in Kenya. So you see, this one my supplier was telling me that they ran out of stock and all these stories, guys just buying one by one. So that's what happened. Like I managed to make only 5 sales, but I managed to deliver only 2. So I only made a profit of like $10. That's like 1,000 because my markup was like 500 shillings on all the products compared to the supply price. So yeah, guys. Anyway, the next opportunity I was telling you guys about is Christmas is coming, and with this Christmas that is coming, I'm going to share with you guys a list of products that you can sell here. You ship from China before December, like the lights, the Christmas trees, all these things that people usually need during Christmas. That's the big opportunity I was telling you guys about. I'll share the products in the link in my description. I'll share our text file, so make sure to go and check them out and find the one that resonates with you the most.